Hi everybody, it's Marcy and it's time for another handmade tag with prompts by Brooke. Her YouTube channel will be linked in the description box below. And I'm working on week 2, which involved using background fabrics and a heart. So what I've got is I've got some grays that I'm going to put down, just kind of patchwork style, and then the heart is to be a contrasting color. So I've got a vivid pink there. And I think I want to put a little bit of lace down. Just a little bit of lace peeking out for a little added something. Let's see if I can get this somewhat lined up. Of course, I'll have to pin it before I sew it, and stuff will move, I'm sure. Let's try the lace above that. I like that a little better, I think. That way a little more of the lace trim shows. And this is just some Dollar Tree lace that I'm using. And I think to stitch most of this, I'll stitch the heart last. But I'm going to want to put on, I need to get my pins out. I'm going to want to put that all together. And I think I'll just use a running stitch for that. I know that's what Anne did. And then I don't know what she called it. I think she called it like a patch stitch, where you go from your background and just sort of patchwork the heart on. So I'm going to do that. That's all I've decided on at this point, I think. And again, I'm not going to do this on camera. Someday, maybe I'll be brave enough to try some of this on camera. But seems like I might want a little something else on there. But let me get that part done, and then we'll see where we are and if I still think it needs something, and I will be back. Okay, guys, I got my second tag done with my gray fabrics, a little bit of lace, and my heart in bright pink. And I still, as a junk journaler, I so badly want to slap a label or something across there, but I'm not going to do that at this point. And the reason is because I want to see if I can do this every week for 52 weeks. How do I progress? And do I get braver with my fabrics and my stitching? On this one, I did machine stitch the fabric piece onto the tag, and I like that much better than the white one, so I probably will continue doing that. but I'm okay. I mean, I would, in a junk journal, would I use that? Yes, I would. My running stitches are not even, and they kind of wave, and my stitches around here are not even, but I think that adds character. So I'm not overly concerned about that. I would like to get better, and like I said, I'm itching to add something to this. And if I were putting it in a journal, perhaps I would add something to it. But for now, it will just mark part of this progression to see how I progress as we move along with this. Anyway, think about taking part in this. It's a lot of fun, just using little scraps of fabric for whatever size tag, and there are no specific sizes. You don't have to follow her rules precisely. She's being very easy and open about it. I'm pretty sure in the week 2 video, she said people were doing it with, I thought she said Fabri-Tac. So, anyway, just consider giving it a try if you are like I am and are not overly confident in hand stitching. And what's funny is, years ago, I did all sorts of cross stitch and needlepoint. Problem was, it had very specific grids that you could see and stay within. Here, where I've got to do my own keeping it straight and stuff, I'm never going to be absolutely wonderful at that. But it's still kind of cute. So anyway, guys, until next time, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.